Hi, I'm Trey Davis, the portfolio manager here at Hapanowicz Financial. Born and raised here in Pittsburgh, proud to say that, from the North Hills area. I went to Pine-Richland High School, graduated in 2013 from there, then on to the University of Dayton in Ohio. Graduated from there in 2017, played lacrosse there as well. My dad's worked at Federated Investors right here in Pittsburgh for the last 35 years, so always exposed to the industry. Had early access from an internship while I was at the University of Dayton, so got some access there, and that's really where I fell in love, with finance and all aspects of it. I didn't really want to do, what my dad did growing up, but once I, got exposed to it, I love seeing the numbers. It just blew my mind, and it just really got me, into the industry. From there, I, went into the sales at Federated. I worked there for 4 years out of college. And then, started to look to, move to the other side of the desk, be an advisor or something along those lines, because I really wanted to help people. On the sales side, there wasn't much of that, right? I was, talking to other financial advisors and, selling products versus actually getting down and, making an impact in a client's portfolio was what was really attractive to me. And that's, when I got connected with Bob. And it was a perfect fit from there. One of my main responsibilities is trading in the accounts. Maintaining that everyone from an allocation perspective, from stocks to bonds, has the appropriate amount in their accounts. I'm analyzing all the options in the stock market to make sure we're utilizing the best investments for our clients within their portfolio. From my perspective, there's all the other pieces to it from the financial planning. The investments are really where the rubber meets the road. So my job is to make sure that those plans and the client's vision is enacted in their portfolios. I've been in the industry now 8 years. I know, other companies out there, and I think the level of depth that we go to for all of our clients is a step above everybody else. I think it's always striving to be better than the day before. It is something that I really try hard to do. Set an example for my children, to always strive to be better than the day before. Sometimes it's gonna be an extremely small amount. Sometimes that might be, it might be better than the week before, because you're gonna have those days. But it's always working on improving myself, whether that's, culturally at the office, just making sure, I'm working with my coworkers all well, or, making sure that I'm delivering our clients, my best on every single day I come into the office.